Did you know Earth might get hit by an enormous asteroid in 2029 into a big space rock called Apophis caught everyone's attention as it zoomed close to Earth. Scientists gave it the fancy name Asteroid 99942. This giant is about as long as 3 football fields. Imagine that. If it crashes into Earth, it could mess things up big time. But will it slam into us in 2029? And if it does, where's it going to hit? Can it cause human extinction? Let's find that out in today's video. NASA experts estimate that this asteroid is one of about 2,000 dangerous space rocks, meaning they could potentially smack into Earth and cause big trouble. They say this asteroid, named Apophis, will swing by our planet without causing harm, but it's going to come really close, just about 19,000 miles above us. That's like the distance some of our spaceships orbit Earth. In less than a minute, Apophis will zoom past us, shining as bright as the stars. But here's the thing. If space agencies don't want us to panic about asteroids hitting Earth, why do they give them scary names like Apophis? Long ago, in ancient Egypt, folks believed in a god called Apophis. He was a sneaky serpent who hated light and truth, dwelling in total darkness. So, when people heard there was an asteroid named after this troublemaker heading our way in 2029, they got worried, and for good reason. Around 15.6 million years back, a giant asteroid, Chicxulub, crashed into Earth, wiping out tons of creatures, including most dinosaurs. Now, the biggest asteroid in our solar system is 945 kilometers wide. Astronomers Roy A. Tucker, David J. Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi found Apophis on June 19, 2004, using a telescope in Arizona. They were hunting for objects hanging out near the sun. Apophis was hanging out just 57 degrees away, super close for an asteroid. But what makes Apophis special is its speedy orbit. It zips around the sun in less than a year, getting closer to it than even Venus does, before looping out past Earth's path. Apophis, a space rock hurtling through our orbit, has grabbed the attention of skywatchers worldwide. Back in December 2004, astronomers pieced together enough clues to predict where it's headed. They found out it might collide with Earth on Friday the 13th of April, 2029, giving it a 2.7% chance of hitting us. This made Apophis a big worry on the asteroid watch list, even though nobody's ever had a close-up look at it. It's one of those S-type asteroids made of rock and minerals, not carbon. They're not super common. Only about 17% of asteroids are like this. Most hang out near the sun, not far out like Apophis. When Apophis swings by in 2029, folks in the southern hemisphere will get a good view. It'll be visible from one end of Australia to the other. It's projected to zoom over the Indian Ocean, then cross the equator, cruising over Africa by midday on the US East Coast. As it zips westward, it'll pass over the Atlantic Ocean, then the United States. The closest it'll get is about 38,000 kilometers away, feeling the tug of the sun, moon, and Earth. Scientists predict that it'll get so close, Earth's gravity might mess with its surface and how it spins. They use a scale called the Torino scale to rate the risk from 0 to 10, and Apophis was sitting at a 4. The more scientists track an asteroid, the better they understand its path. They quickly ruled out the chance of Apophis hitting in 2029. But what if it did? Picture this. Apophis weighs about 26.99 billion kilograms, and it's as wide as the Eiffel Tower is tall. Let's break down those numbers. The asteroid that carved out Arizona's meteor crater packed a punch of 3 to 10 megatons of energy. Apophis? It'd bring around 880 megatons, way more than the Hiroshima bomb's 0.15 megatons. The first hit would be devastating, killing tens or even hundreds of thousands of people, with millions more at risk from the shockwave and debris. If it hit a big city like London, the death toll could be catastrophic. We're talking scorching heat, violent tremors, and massive shockwaves wreaking havoc everywhere. Did you know that if an asteroid hit Earth at 72,000 kilometers per hour, it would unleash a force of about 10 billion joules? That's like 1,000,000 times stronger than the bombs dropped on Hiroshima. And get this, it's roughly 100,000 times more powerful than the Chelyabinsk meteor. Scary, right? But here's the thing, there's not a big chance it'll hit where people live. Why? Because our planet is mostly covered in oceans, over 75% of it. So, if Apophis ever decides to make a splashdown, it's likely to land in the ocean. But hey, that's not exactly good news for us either. Picture this: Apophis slamming into the ocean, sending ripples out in every direction. Those ripples, they could spell trouble, triggering massive tsunamis that could wreak havoc across continents. The death toll could be huge because many people live near the sea. Imagine this: Neil deGrasse Tyson, a scientist, warned that huge waves caused by Apophis could wipe out the entire west coast of North America. NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies keeps an eye on objects like Apophis to prepare for any danger. So, let's say Apophis is definitely on its way, and we have some time to prepare. What can we do? Well, we might be able to change its path if we knew about it far enough in advance, but doing this would need everyone on board working together globally. Thanks to what we saw when Apophis zoomed past us in March 2021, astronomers say we're safe from this asteroid for at least 100 years. But just before it gets close in April 2029, NASA's OSIRIS mission will take a deep dive into Apophis for a year and a half. It's like a space detective mission to uncover what's hiding beneath Apophis's surface. OSIRIS-REx, our space explorer, will check out how Apophis spins and what it's made of, all influenced by Earth's gravity. This mission isn't just about Apophis, it's about learning to stop any future asteroid from crashing into Earth. In 2029, when Apophis gets near, scientists are launching a big watch party in the sky. Everyone's invited, even amateur astronomers. We're gearing up with some seriously strong telescopes that'll be ready by then. It's not just about watching, it's about learning. This close-up with Apophis is like a golden ticket to understanding asteroids better. And hey, Earth's always at risk from these space rocks, so the more we know, the safer we'll be. At this point, Apophis is in a region of the sky that is not observable from Earth. That is how it will stay until 2029 when we see it again. Hopefully, Apophis will securely fly through Earth in S years. Everyone should see this eagerly awaited event. What do you think? What are the chances that Apophis will hit Earth? Comment down below your thoughts. Hit the subscribe button for more similar videos like this.